Recording.
Hey, so we're on 28. We are just north of Highlands, North Carolina, US 28 or Franklin Road, your choice. I gotta take it easy coming out of here. There's often law enforcement sitting on the sides of the road running radar. They do not like it when you speed coming out of Highlands or into Highlands. It's a Thursday morning, 8:30 in the morning. If you've never been to Highlands, North Carolina, it's worth checking out. I have not found a place to eat in Highlands, North Carolina yet. So if you find somewhere good, delicious, that you think I might like, please post it in the comments. I will try it out. Good food makes me get on a motorcycle and go for a ride, because I like a food destination. Some places worry me though. Get on a motorcycle, full race leathers, and you got to fill up your diaper. That's terrible. Thanks for using the pull-off. Fulton County, Georgia. They voted for Fonnie Willis, so you know they can't drive. Speed limit's 35. We're doing 25. So blessed to be in the mountains today. And they're probably mad at me. He's really old. Don't use the pull-off. Just hold up traffic. Pretty bad. Sammy Hagar says he can't get out of second gear. Crap, this guy's going so slow I can't get into second gear. Come on, turn at the waterfall, turn at the waterfall, turn at the waterfall, turn at the waterfall, turn at the waterfall. Alright, we're not turning at the waterfall. This road's busy today. The pull-offs are there to let faster travelers go by. Use the pull-off. not like there's a shortage of places to pull out. People would rather have a line of traffic behind them cursing them instead of being considerate and just moving to the right just for, you know, 2 or 3 seconds. I mean, I get it. I get it. A lot of people are not from here. They've never seen a curve, much less as many curves as we have here in North Carolina. But we all have to share this planet. You know, don't cause road rage. Just use one of these pull-offs. Let traffic by. Black C7 Corvette just went by. Had one of those. Talk about a car with a lot of Chinese parts. That is the Corvette. I will never own another. I got to get out here and ride more often. When I bought this 848, I think it hit this road at least once, maybe twice a month. This is definitely the time to hit it. Everybody's going to work in Highlands. All the tourists aren't up yet. We came through yesterday. I might have had the only North Carolina tag out here. Everybody else was Florida and Georgia. Look at the traffic going in the other direction. It's all pretty much construction vehicles. I don't know if you guys have noticed that watching the video. I would imagine you have to come from everywhere else to build in Highlands, North Carolina, because you can't afford to live there. If you're a construction worker, you're not living in Highlands, North Carolina. Uh-oh, we found the traffic.